Move forward to adapt to the new business formats with the help of innovative and advanced remote support capabilities. At Thermo Fisher Scientific, we believe there's no time for instrument downtime. With a combination of innovative technologies, comprehensive services, and unsurpassed technical support, bringing to you the remote support solutions to keep your lab instruments tuned, qualified, and running flawlessly at all times. Now, remotely calibrate your equipment with the help of our technical experts and stay compliant to regulations at all times. Reach out to us on our toll-free number 1800-209-7001 for fast, efficient, and more effective issue resolution. Experience the future of instrument support now. Stay ahead with remote support. A step forward to science. Service support got a lot easier. Call us at 1800-209-7001.